Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm going to give you all a video that actually a lot of people have asked for, and that is a decent video of the new exhaust that we put on the R1. I did put the HOTBODIES MGP GROWLER exhaust on it. It's a short kind of carbon fiber canned. It is just slip-ons. It does not replace the Y pipe. It would be, I think, obnoxiously loud if I did replace the Y pipe. It would give some performance increases, but I don't really think I need any more on this bike. I hooked the GoPro up to the external mic, and I'm going to try to get the best exhaust clip as I can up here on, well, it's the road I always come to. I love riding it, so it's going to be in a bunch of videos. I'm going to get the best exhaust note video that I can get you. Hopefully it comes out okay. I've never tried it like this. Roll the intro. Let's hopefully hear some pretty good exhaust notes coming out of this crossplane R1. So guys, hopefully this video did this exhaust justice. I haven't heard many aftermarket exhausts in person on these crossplane bikes, but this has to be one of the better ones. The cans look great. The quality seems great so far. Can't really give any long-term opinions on this exhaust yet. I will do a long-term test on this exhaust because I'm going to be riding all kinds this season. I would say in the past couple years, I've maybe rode like, I don't know, 300-400 miles. And it's really just around here, but we're going to get out and about a lot more this year. So guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button. We're almost at 800. Cannot wait to hit 1,000. Thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you guys on the next video.